Medical News Minute. Today is July 22nd, 2021. I'm Dr. Ernst von Schwarz. Some news from the COVID front. While a month ago we hardly saw any COVID patients in the hospitals, this has changed dramatically. Currently there's almost 500,000 new cases of COVID-19 diagnosed per day worldwide, and some countries report more than a 150% increase of infections within the last week. In the United States, the Delta variant appears to be responsible for more than 80% of new infections. In Los Angeles County, here, 2,551 new cases were diagnosed just yesterday. This Delta variant is highly contagious. It replicates much faster, and the incubation period is 2 days shorter. A recent study from China demonstrated a 1,000 times higher viral load in the upper respiratory tract of infected patients with the Delta variant compared with patients infected with the original virus. It appears that 97% of newly infected COVID patients are unvaccinated, and especially in areas with low vaccination rates like Florida, Alabama, and areas in Missouri, even higher infection rates are currently reported. Some epidemiologists now believe that due to the high transmissibility of the Delta variant, likely every single person sooner or later might get infected. Many of those who get infected might get only mild symptoms, but they still will be required to isolate or quarantine, or the infection might result in hospitalization or even death. Even though there's a lot of information and misinformation, especially on social media, mostly from non-scientific sources, vaccination is the best protection, and we as physicians encourage everyone who hasn't been vaccinated yet to do so for their own protection as well as to protect their families and their communities. On another note, another variant, the Lambda variant, has now been detected in the US, in particular in Houston, which is responsible for the infection surge in Peru, a country with one of the highest COVID mortality rates in the world. Stay safe, more to come from us.